Alright, here's the KitchenAid Professional 600. We're going to attempt to make bread. I had to put some new gears in here, so I just got them done. Here is the recipe that I'm going to use. I haven't used the powdered milk in here. Anyway, you see it's 5.5 cups of bread flour, and we're gonna see how it does, because in the book it says it can do, okay, this is a KitchenAid manual. I'm gonna go to the bread section. Do not use recipes calling for more than 14 cups all-purpose flour or 8 cups whole wheat flour when making dough with a 6-quart mixer. Well, that's what this one is. So let's see what it does with 5.5 cups. take the temperature of the back end here now where the electric motor is. Oh, should show it. What's going on here? 28, 29 degrees Celsius. I'll change that over to Fahrenheit, but would you actually use that thing for 14 cups of flour? Man, I don't know, I'd be worried. Anyway, I don't think I'd want to try it with 14 cups, and it's, as far as I'm concerned, it's false, giving you false hope. There's something wrong here with this KitchenAid. Comment, let me know what you guys think of this KitchenAid Professional 600. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope to see you again.